Hi guys, this is Isha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I know you guys might be wondering why I'm wearing a hoodie like this. It's because I'm filming this video right now and I colored my hair already. I didn't want to reveal it to you guys, so please check the whole video out. I got my color from Birds of Paradise in shade Rubra Red. They provided this basic kit which I really loved. This is a jar of the semi-permanent color. This is a manual they provided on how to color your hair, a hairbrush, pair of gloves, conditioner, everything. I have combed my hair and I already have bleached my hair before, so I don't want to do it right now and ruin my hair completely. I'll apply this. This is a semi-permanent hair color, so I can apply this directly on the bleached hair. I've divided my hair into 6 sections and I'm coloring it now.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ.
So I applied my hair color. Now I'll just keep it 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, and then take a bath, wash my hair, and show you the results maybe tomorrow. I feel happy. I feel really happy. It's like a totally different vibe and I'm loving this. If you liked my hair, like my video and subscribe to my channel. I'm planning to be more consistent on YouTube. Finally.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
Yeah, I have planned like 3 to 4 videos already and hopefully I'll be consistent. So if you like my videos, if you like me or my hair or my vibe or my makeup,
समझ रहे हो ना?
please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video as much as you can, and thank you so much for supporting always. Bye. Also follow me on Instagram, please. Bye.
My best friend, I love you. My best friend.